Welcome back to Golf Course Maintenance Update. Right now we're wrapping things up on our final closure. We plan on opening on Friday the 31st. The team right now is getting the golf course ready for that opening. Our second truck of sods arrived, so we're finishing up those areas of turf replacement throughout the golf course. Please be cautious when we do open. These areas will be roped off and cart signs will be all around those newly sodded areas. The drainage work is completed on number 9. Right now the team is just laying out the sod with sod rolls. Once again, this area across number 9 fairway is freshly sodded, so please stay away from those areas, especially with your golf carts. We've started the drainage work here on hole number 8. The plan is to have a grass swale so the two lakes can connect, stormwater can drain way more efficiently. The golf course construction company will be out here and present while the golf course is still open. Please be cautious as there'll be heavy equipment running through. Majority of the work will be on the right side of the hole. This week we removed some liner that was around our greens. This liner is located between the Tiff Grand collars and the Tiff Eagle greens. On the lower sections of the greens, we've had challenges with holding too much moisture, and this is due to that liner that was installed. By removing this liner, we'll be able to release a lot more water. We thank you all for allowing the golf course to be closed these weeks in August. The cultural practices we performed this summer will have great benefits for the 2018-2019 golfing season. Thank you for watching. Make sure to stay tuned next week as we continue to give you updates on the golf course maintenance team. Y'all take care now. Bye.